Whether you create t-shirt designs or even colouring pages or absolutely anything for that matter, and if you use Canva in your design process, well, stick around because I have 3 newish Canva features which I want to share with you because it will really speed up your workflow. So let's come over here to ideogram, because the first feature which I want to share with you within Canva is being able to upload folders. Now I'm just quickly going to download multiple of these, because now I download that, that's going to be a folder. And now with this folder, we can come over to Canva and upload that directly. Now what you want to do is come to projects, then we click on folders, then we can create a new folder. Now I've just named this one designs for this video's purpose, but now I can literally just take the whole folder. I don't have to go into the folder and drag and drop. We can just simply take this, drag into the side, into the folder, drop it in, and now we have that entire folder uploaded here within Canva. Now you could name your folder before you upload it, but if you don't, we can simply hover over the folder, click on the 3 dots, then we can change the name of that folder, just like that. And if we click onto there, we now have all of the images uploaded within that folder. So this is one feature that's really speeding up my workflow. Now the second feature which I want to share with you is being able to download single pages. So let me just put these onto the canvas just like this. Let's do all of them, that's 3. Then we're going to do 4, and then we're going to do 5. Now let's just make that a little bit bigger, like that. But let's say I only want to download one of these pages instead of all of them, or instead of coming up to share, download, and then choosing the page number, let's do 5, and doing it this way, what we now can do is simply hover over the image that we want to download. We can then click onto the 3 dots, and look right here, we now have download page. So if I click on there, it's going to open the page number just like this. Then we can play around with the settings to how we want. So let's say we want size 2, and let's say we're going to do a JPEG. Now what we want to do is make sure that this save download settings is enabled, because if we download another page, it's then going to use these settings. But now I can just click on download, and it's downloaded page 5. Let's say I wanted to do page 2. I click on the 3 dots, click on download. This is all auto-filled because we already did that before, and we saved the download settings, but then I can click download. So this is saving me so much time, because anytime I want to download a single page, I don't have to come up to here, click on download, and then choose the page. It's just really speeding up the process. But that's number 2, which I wanted to share with you. Now number 3 is such a cool feature as well, and I've been waiting such a long time for Canva to actually allow this. Now what is this? Well, it's starring fonts. So if I click on here, then come to the font section, we have lots of different fonts which we can choose from, obviously, and we can choose from our own uploaded fonts. But let's say I've been using a font quite a bit. Let's go with this one just here. Now let's just make that bigger so it looks a little bit better. But let's say I really like this font and I'm going to use it multiple times. Now what we can do is simply hover over that font, click onto the 3 dots, and then click Star Font, just like this. Now we know that's been starred because again, if we click on the 3 dots, it now says Unstar Font. But this is really helpful because now if we scroll up, we've got this section just here, starred fonts. And as you can see, it starred it just here. Now this is going to be there across multiple projects. So let's say you started something new and you wanted to use this same font, it's still going to be here under starred fonts. So I'm really loving that feature as well. Now all of these features with uploading folders, being able to download single pages, and starring your own fonts is really speeding up my workflow when I'm creating my products. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then don't forget to give me a like as it really helps out the channel, and if you're not too sure what to watch next, well, click right here and watch this.